Welcome back. Once you've set up the tracking codes, you can then set up your terms and conditions. And this is where you're going to want to write your contest terms, any rules that you want your customers to know. This is going to be something that the participants are going to see, so you want to write in these rules carefully. Once you update your terms, you're going to want to save your work. You can then move on to Geotarget. Now, by default, you're going to be geotargeting the entire world. However, you can target certain geographic groups. What you can do here is you can determine where your campaign is going to be seen. So for example, if you only want your campaign to be seen in one particular region, you can do that. If you want it to be seen only in one country, you can do that. Once you have specified where you want your campaign to be, you can then click Save. And we will click Save. There are also General Setup tabs. Now in this area, you're going to have elements of your campaign that will be working in the background. For example, you can redirect individuals that attempt to access the thank you page without going through the share page. They will be redirected. You can automatically deactivate fraudulent leads. You can redirect individuals to the share page when they come to your page. And you can turn on email verification so that you can ferret out emails that are not real emails. You will need to toggle these elements on if you want to use them. They are toggled off by default. Once they're set up, you can then click Save, and these elements will then be active in your account. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.